To change the Wi-Fi network for Tapo C225 camera, first you will need to remove one from the app. If you didn't add this camera to the app at all, I recommend to watch our setup or pairing video to a specific device that you want. And now when we're in the app, as for this video we'll be just showing how to change the Wi-Fi network, we can click and hold our finger on the Tapo camera in our dashboard and remove it with the minus icon. Now your camera will make a sound and you will need to bring it to the place where you want to connect it with the Wi-Fi network. Also give it a while till it resets. Okay, now grab your camera and you will need to flip the gimbal like this, and then there's the reset button right here. You will need to press on it and hold it for a moment. Okay, let's wait again, sorry, I've moved too fast with it. I think it should reset on its own, but if it doesn't for you, then you can do the reset as I shown you. Okay, so our camera is blinking with the red and blue light, which confirms that it's in the pairing mode, so we can click on the plus button to add our device, then search for C225 and select the version that you have. You can identify it with the QR code, or if it doesn't have it, then it's version 1. We can move to the next step, and then it should find our camera in just a moment. And right after that, you'll be able to choose a different Wi-Fi network for your camera. And that is basically everything.